Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to talk about something that not a lot of people know. The key to finding your perfect pair of glasses online is knowing your frame size. Now, I'm going to explain exactly how you can find yours. If you have a pair of glasses at home that fit, you'll actually find their size written on the inner temple. The first number is your lens width, the second is your bridge width, and the third is the length of your temple. At GlassesUSA.com, you can click Find Your Size. Enter these three values and we will generate your frame size for you. In case you don't have a pair at home, or like most of us, you have a pair but they're so old that the numbers are no longer visible, no judgment here, you can easily measure them yourself. Using measuring tape or a ruler, we'll measure the lens width, the bridge width, and the temple length together. Let's start with the lens width. Place the ruler on the widest part of the lens and measure the distance in between the frame. This measurement will typically be between 48 and 58 millimeters. Next, let's measure the bridge width. This is the distance between the two lenses that sit on your nose. Measure from the inside of one lens to the inside of the other. This measurement will typically be between 16 to 20 millimeters. Finally, we're going to measure the temple length. This is the length of the arms that extends from the frames to your ears. Place the ruler at the temple and measure to the back of your ear. This measurement will typically be between 135 to 150 millimeters. Then, you can enter these three values into Find Your Size on site, as we saw previously, and we will generate your frame size. And that's it. Now you have everything you need to choose your perfect pair.